Are you ready for summer? Do your arms look the way you want them to for all those sundresses and tank tops and short sleeve shirts, not to mention bathing suits? Well, I've got you covered, and I'm gonna show you exactly what to do in just 5 minutes where you're gonna get toned, but not bulky. Rena Hedeman here, founder of Thrive After 45 and Your Big Fun Life, giving you more ways to look and feel your absolute best in your 40s, 50s, and beyond. And I'm really excited because in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get toned, taut arms in 5 minutes a day. The beauty of these exercises is they're really quick and you can do them absolutely anywhere, anytime. I'm often in my pajamas, not workout clothes, because all it takes is 5 minutes, and I usually sit right on the edge of my bed. Right now, as you can see, I'm in a very small bedroom. This is not my room, but I'm wedged between a bed and a chest of drawers right here. But as long as I've got enough space to be able to move my arms freely, that's all that matters. I'm just sitting on a normal chair. You can sit on the edge of your bed. So in the very first part of this video, I'm really just going to tell you the basics on what you need and what to do. I'm just going to go through the exercises that you need to do in the 5 minutes every day. Then in the next part of the video, I'm actually going to walk you through it and count with you with some music, so that if you'd like to do it with me, you can have this as your blueprint for doing this every day for 5 minutes. To go straight to the guided exercises, jump ahead to part 2, where you'll find bicep curls at 5 minutes 25 seconds and lateral raises at 11 minutes 10 seconds. What's so fabulous about these exercises, you don't need fancy equipment. All you need is a set of dumbbells. These are 5 pounds, but you can use 3 pounds, 4 pounds, 2 pounds, 1 pound, or just hold a couple of water bottles if you'd like, if that's easier for you. If you don't have any weights with you, you can use certainly heavier than 5 pounds if you want. Whatever feels like the right weight to you. What you want to do is have something heavy enough that's going to tire your muscles out over a count of 20. But you don't want anything too heavy, because you want to be able to do this for 20 repetitions, and we're going for tone here, not bulk. If you want bulk, if you want big shoulders and big biceps and big arms, you're going to go for low repetition, high weight. Here, for this specific exercise, to get toned arms, you want to have low weights, high repetition, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to alternate different exercises every other day. It's easy to remember. You just have to remember 2 exercises. Now, the first one is a bicep curl, and you probably know what that is. If you don't, all you do is start with your hands down below. You can see I've got them right at my sides here. Down straight, and then you go up, not too fast, down, not too fast. You don't want to do it so fast. If you go like this, then gravity pulls the weights down and you're not really using your muscles at all. So you want to be able to use your muscles to hold that weight. We're not going to ultimately go as slowly as this. I'm just doing this to show you. Now we're going to do that for 20 repetitions. And after 20, we're going to pause and sit here and count out loud. You don't need a timer. You can use one if you want to. I usually just count for about 15 or 20 seconds rest after that set of 20. So then after 15 or 20 seconds rest, you do another set of 20. So I'm just demonstrating right now, but as I said earlier, if you want to do this with me for 5 minutes, the whole set, then just jump ahead in this video. But first, let's get through the demonstration. So after you've done 4 sets of 20 with 15 or 20 seconds rest in between, you're finished. So that's it for day 1. Then day 2, and every other day after this you switch. There are only 2 different exercises here. So the second day, you're going to do these, okay? And be careful not to go up high like that. You want to keep your arms like this, level to the floor. And you don't want to do it too fast, because that's letting gravity pull it down for you. Just like about this pace. Again, I will be happy to go through this with you with music and counting. If you want to do it with me, you just jump ahead in the video after the demonstration. So that's what we're going to do for another set of 20 with another 15 or 20 seconds rest in between. You do that 4 times, so another 4 sets of 20 with 15 or 20 seconds rest in between each of the 4, and then you're set. So doing each of those is only 5 minutes. So day 1, you're going to do the bicep curls, right? 4 sets of 20 with 15 to 20 seconds rest in between. And day 2, you are going to do these. Okay, again, 4 sets of 20 with 15 to 20 seconds rest in between. That's it. Each one of those is done on separate days. Each one only takes 5 or 5.5 minutes or so, depending on how fast you're going. And I promise you, if you commit to this and you do this 5.5 minutes every day, at the end of 60 to 90 days, you're definitely going to be able to see a difference. As long as you're not eating a ton of junk food and you're getting some exercise and you're drinking your water and eating your greens and taking good care of yourself, you will see and feel a difference. Okay, so there you have the demonstration. Let me put on some fun music. I will do the counting for us and put on a counter. So all you have to do is follow along, and there you'll have day 1 in the bag. And then I'll show you day 2. Okay? All right, go get your weights and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Start with your arms down by your sides, fingers facing out. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Yay! Okay, put the weights down or hold them on your lap and we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, there we go, 20 seconds rest approximately. You can count on your own. I'm making this really easy so that you don't need a timer, you don't need a watch, you just need to be able to count. That's it. Okay, ready for the second set? Here we go. Are you ready? 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, put the weights down or hold them on your lap and we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, third set. Are you ready?
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free.
19, 20. Now we'll give it a 15 or 20 second rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, ready? Last set. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel.
7.
I just wanna be
8.
a lost girl.
9.
Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it. It all, I just wanna be free. Finally, 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 I wanna be free. Finally,
There you go. You did it. Awesome work. I will see you tomorrow. We'll do another 5 minutes of a different exercise, and that's it. So all you've got to do is check back in tomorrow, come to this exact place in the video, and we'll go through your second set of exercises, okay? And then every other day you just switch back and forth, and that's it. 5 minutes a day. You got this. Ready? Okay, here we go. 1,
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got
2,
you in my head from all those
3,
pretty words you said. It's like I'm
4,
wasted.
5,
Every time I see your face, I'm losing
6.
track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste it.
18, 19, 20, and we are finished with set 1. So now we'll give it a 15 or 20 second rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, ready? Second set, here we go.
And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now? 'Cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is
19,
screaming out your name. I'm wasted.
20.
Oh.
Awesome. 20 second rest. Ready?
19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, set 3. Here we go.
what can I do? What can I say? Please make it undone. What you did to me, I was so caught up when you happened to me. Make it undone, 'cause my heart is breaking. What can I do? What can I say? Please make it undone. What you did to me, what you did to me, what you did to me.
19, 20. Awesome. Third set in the bag. Way to go. 20 seconds of rest, and then we'll go for our fourth and last set. And then you're all set. Ready?
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, ready? One last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the day, 2 days in a row. Good for you. I'm really proud of you. You see, it's super simple, quick as anything. Do it anywhere, any place, wearing anything. Just keep with it. 5 minutes a day for at least 60 days, and I promise you're gonna see results. Thanks so much for being here with me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so that you never miss one of my brand new weekly videos, giving you more ways to look and feel your absolute best in your 40s, 50s, and beyond. And as you know, I like to finish my videos by saying, take fabulous care of your gorgeous self because you are so worth it and you definitely so deserve it.